Hey guys, it's the Lady Friend One, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how I do my Honey Senpai cosplay makeup look. So let's go ahead and jump right on it. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be talking about my Honey Senpai cosplay. This one is really minimalist and kind of basic. The biggest focus is I use a pink blush, I use a pink face marker, and just some black eyeliner, and a brush, obviously, for the brush. So just to start out, I'm going to start with the pink marker, or crayon, just a face crayon. I'm not that picky on these. And all I'm going to do is do like 3 slash lines on my cheeks. So I have my mirror handy this time that I'm going to use for this. I do have to go over this a couple of times for it to show, just because I do have a darker complexion. Actually, I did these pretty thick, so I think I'm just going to do the 2 this time. I have kind of a slim face as well, I guess, so just do what fits on your cheeks, and depending on how thick you make them, I have to make them pretty thick. But as you can see, they look like that. You could do 2 or 3, it works either way. The next step is going to be the blush. And I'm just going to go over these and over my nose just to give me that cutesy kind of look. So, I'm going to kind of cake on the powder on my brush here and go nuts. Just because, again, I do have a darker complexion, so I do kind of have to cake it on when I want it to show. Alright. More of that. Kind of got to turn so I can see this at a better light. Got a nice amount there. You're going to want to go hardest on the cheeks, just because that's where it's obviously going to be greater, is on your cheeks than on your nose. But do definitely do some on the nose, just because it's Honey. He's supposed to be very cute, so I really want that cutie blushing. When I'm brushing like this, I'm also kind of going on the stripes to kind of get them to blur in. Gonna do quite a few applications of this. It's also just a cheap blush, let me be honest with you. Oop. I don't really have a specific makeup brand I really live by outside of Ouran for my SFX stuff that you can see over on my fan house. But otherwise, I really don't. I just go what's affordable. Okay. Doesn't have to be that crazy. It's really more the stripes that are the big thing. So I'm going to go ahead and stop with that. Now, like I said, this is such a simple look. So the next big thing really is just the eyeliner. Sorry, I'm going a little bit more. Trying not to get pink dust all over my desk on top of it all. There we go. There we go. So, the next thing, I'm just doing the top liner with a very tiny, like, baby stripe for the one little eyelash kind of thing that he has. Just to mimic his eyes a little bit. So, just at the top here. Bear with me, because I do suck at eyeliner. I say that as I already... Yes, I know I shouldn't just be licking my finger and smudging it off, but I'm not perfect. So it doesn't have to be crazy. Regular above eye with a tiny baby wing, just like that. And then other eye. This is not gonna match, I can promise you that. I love doing baby wings. It's really easy. It's just like a quick swipe, and you're done. Right. Doesn't look perfect here, but mostly because I'm holding the mirror, and I don't like holding something. I like having two hands to do my eyeliner. God, these definitely don't match. Make sure yours match. I typically do, but actually no, it's not terrible. Okay. Yep, and that's pretty much it. It just kind of gives you sort of matching his eyes. I don't really go crazy and do like the white eyeliner thing that some people do with anime cosplays, but that's all for my Honey Senpai look, and then I would put this on with the costume and the wig that I have styled. It's on a shelf above my setup here, so that's why I keep pointing up. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this look, you can see it fully assembled with the cosplay and the wig on my fan house or on my TikTok sometimes. Not fully assembled, but without the makeup. The links are for those are in the description below. If you want to see more, just hit subscribe here on the channel. And if you want me to do another look, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, bye.